Artificial intelligence is often treated like magic. Some people say it's almost conscious. Others are scared it will take over the world. But if you strip away the hype, AI is actually quite simple. It's just logic, patterns, and a lot of practice. Today we'll explain how AI really works without any math, just plain logic and everyday examples. Let's start with the most important difference. Traditional programming is like giving a computer a strict recipe. If the user clicks this button, do that. If the temperature is over 100, turn on the fan. The programmer writes every single rule by hand. The computer only does exactly what it's told. Machine learning is different. Instead of writing all the rules, you show the computer thousands or millions of examples and let it figure out the rules itself. Think of it like teaching a toddler the difference between a cat and a dog. You don't explain, a cat has whiskers and retractable claws. You just show hundreds of pictures and say, cat, dog, dog. After a while, the child starts recognizing the pattern without you spelling out every detail. That's exactly how machine learning works. The heart of modern AI is something called a neural network. Imagine you're trying to recognize a handwritten number 9. A simple program would look for exact shapes and lines. But people write 9s differently. Some are round, some have a tail, some are sloppy. A neural network breaks the image into tiny pieces, pixels, and passes them through many layers. Each layer looks for slightly more complex patterns. First layer detects edges and lines. Next layer detects curves and loops. Deeper layers start recognizing this looks like the top of a 9, or this has the characteristic tail. By the end, the network says, I'm 97% sure this is a 9. How does it get so good? Through training. You show the network millions of handwritten digits, tell it the correct answer, and when it makes a mistake, you gently adjust the weights, tiny internal knobs that control how important each connection is. This process is called backpropagation. It's like playing the game hot and cold with the network. Warmer, warmer, colder. Yes, that's better. After enough rounds of seeing examples and correcting mistakes, the network becomes really good at predicting the right answer, even for things it has never seen before. Now, large language models like ChatGPT take this idea much further. Instead of learning to recognize digits, they learn to predict the next word in a sentence. They've read billions of pages of text, books, websites, conversations, and learned the statistical patterns of human language. When you type, "How are you?" the model doesn't understand the question like a human. It simply predicts, based on everything it has seen, the most likely next words are, "I'm fine, thank you. How about you?" That's why it sometimes sounds so human, because humans have written an enormous amount of text, and the model has memorized the patterns extremely well. But here's the honest truth. AI doesn't think or feel. It doesn't have experiences or understanding. It's an incredibly sophisticated pattern-matching machine that predicts what should come next based on what it has seen before. It's more like a super-powered autocomplete than a conscious mind. This doesn't make it useless, far from it. It can write essays, code, translate languages, and help with thousands of tasks. But it's still just predicting patterns, not truly understanding the world the way humans do. So the next time someone says AI is magic, or that it's about to become conscious, remember this simple picture. It's a toddler that has looked at billions of pictures and learned to guess what comes next. Incredibly well, but still just guessing based on patterns. What do you think? After hearing this explanation, do you see AI as more impressive or less impressive than before? Do you believe it will ever truly understand the world like humans? Or will it always be a very smart pattern predictor? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one.